This short movie shows how easily you can display bitmaps from an SD card with Visual Designer. The new project wizard is the starting point and allows us to create a flowchart project based around the Arduino Uno board. When the wizard is complete, you will see an outline of the familiar setup and loop routines used in Arduino programs. Meanwhile, on the Schematic Capture tab, the schematic for the Arduino Uno board has been placed and wired for us. The first thing we need to do is to add the TFT shield to our project. Switch back to the Visual Designer and add the peripheral from the project menu. We'll use the Adafruit TFT shield, which has an onboard SD card. After adding the shield, we'll see two new items on the project tree, one for the TFT display and the other for the SD card. These are the parts of the shield that our program can interact with, and expanding either will list the available commands. In the real world, of course, the picture we will be displaying will be stored in the SD card. Visual Designer can simplify this by allowing you to add resources to the project. When you do this, they will automatically be stored on the SD card for simulation, and the Visual Designer program will also put them on the physical SD card for you. First, we'll set the TFT screen using the fill screen method. All we need to do is drag and drop the method onto the chart and set the color. Also, to write some text to the display, drag and drop the print method and enter the text. A delay can be dragged straight from the flow block bar at the left of the chart. Finally, to render the image onto the display, we drag and drop the resource and position it via the dialog form. That's basically it. We could set the rotation, draw graphics, or any number of other things in the same way. It really is that simple. Whenever you want to test your program, just press the play button to compile and run the simulation. If you need to single step, press pause, set a breakpoint and single step. When you're happy, connect the hardware and press program.